Hello everybody. Once again we've got a Stryker SR-955 do a tune-up report today. This is for Anthony in Illinois. Alright Anthony, we're going to start with the radio on AM power, turn it all the way down. We'll take a look over here at this watt meter. I got it 10 watts across the top. This comes in about 1. We'll go to the next scale now where it's 10 and 20 on the bottom right there. And I'll turn the power all the way up. We'll get to about 18. And over here on my peak reading meter, there's 100 right there and 80 right there. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Okay. And now some sideband. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Alright. Back to AM. Let's see the FM. Oops. Goes from diddly quarter watt up to 40 watts. Alright. Stryker 19 for a radio check. How about a 19? Anybody out there give me a radio check? Hello, 1, 2, check. Sound alright to you there, driver? 10 more, loud and clear. You have a fine day, man. Thanks for coming back to me.